Today, we're talking about a bird that rules the skies. The one and only eagle. Yup, the same eagle that symbolizes strength, freedom, and focus. Let's dive into the top 3 mind-blowing facts about eagles that will totally amaze you. Fact number 1. Vision. Like a superpower. Imagine seeing your target from 2 miles away. Sounds like something out of a superhero movie, right? Well, for an eagle, that's just everyday stuff. Eagles have eyesight that's 4 to 5 times sharper than humans. They can spot prey from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles high in the sky. So, while we need glasses to read street signs, eagles can spot a rabbit from the clouds. Fact number 2, masters of the sky. These birds aren't just flying, they're soaring at altitudes over 10,000 feet, higher than some airplanes. And when they dive, boom! Speeds can hit up to 160 kilometers per hour, 100 mph. That's like racing down a highway, but in the air. Now that's what I call power with style. Fact number 3, loyal for life. Here's something beautiful. Eagles are actually super loyal. Most of them mate for life. Once they choose a partner, they build their nest together. And guess what? They keep returning to the same nest every year, making it bigger and stronger. Some nests even get so massive, over 10 feet wide, that they end up collapsing the tree they're in. Now that's a power couple.